Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Melissa if you're new here. Today we are unboxing the Ipsy August month. So I received a very large box today and it has two Ipsy boxes as well as this little Ipsy guy here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dive in and I'm gonna start with this one. And as always with every Ipsy box, they have their theme for the month. This month's theme is Return to the Wild. Restorative skincare, earthy colors, mindful practices. Whether you're hatching new goals or refocusing at work or school, it's time to root yourself in a new uplifting routine that realigns with your purpose. So I'm excited to see the bags this month. I'm going to start with this one here. Super cute, very earthy tones. I love the pink and green. It's giving me watermelon vibes. Super cute. So this is our little Glambag. The first thing in here, what do you know? It's a watermelon product. This is from Glow Recipe. It's the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewy Drops. I really love this product. I've actually tried this one before. So I really need to pick some of this up though. I kind of forgot about it from trying so many other products, but this is a really good one. Next we have here this Give Them Lala Beauty. It's a brow gel. I feel like the past 2 months I've gotten a brow gel, so I'm pretty stocked up now. And next we have this Wonder Wand lipstick by Ciate London. This is a demi-shine lipstick in the shade Sunday. It's like a little mini travel, super cute tubing. I tested it on my hand and it doesn't seem to be as dark as the color actually looks, but I feel like I'm gonna really like this. The formula seems very moisturizing. And we also have, looks like a little eyeshadow palette. I love these little mini palettes. They're so cute. This is the Farah palette in the Eyeshadow Quad Sun-Kissed Bronze. These are really beautiful colors. I'm actually doing a tropical getaway for my birthday, and this is going to be coming along with me. Last but certainly not least, we have this One Kind Ultra Brightening Eye Balm. Super cute little tube. Almost matches my hair there. Okay, moving on. We have our first Ipsy box here. I love how they change their boxes. They're super cute in pastel colors. They're really pretty. And here we are. Like even the inside is super cute. First we have a really good brand here. This is Murad. This is their Essential C Toner. I'm actually using one of their serums right now, and I really, really love it. You can use this AM and PM. So I really love any product with vitamin C in it. And this is a pretty decent sized bottle for toner. All right, next we have this Fierce Flicks Black Precision Liquid Liner. So this is from Ciate London. It's a black eyeliner, which I feel like I always need. I think the one I had before, it was actually dried up and I didn't even get to try it out. So we'll see what happens with this one. All right, next we have this Estate Most Wanted Liquid Lip Balm. I have so many liquid lip balms. So this one actually, it's in a nice tube and it looks just like a gloss. Like it doesn't actually have a color to it. So this must just be like an over a lipstick gloss. Okay, next we have this Clean Luxury Perfume Oil. This is from Gloss Modern. It's a clean luxury collection. I have to give this a smell. It's a cute little travel size too, like perfect for my upcoming vacation. It smells pretty nice. All right, and certainly last but not least, we have this Berries and Cream Dreams Velvety Eyeshadow Palette from Violet Voss. And these are some fun colors. I feel like especially with the Barbie movie just coming out, these are really cute for a Barbie kind of glam look. And now we come to the very, very big Ipsy box. This actually has some hefty weight to it, so I'm really, really excited to see what's inside. Ooh. First we have this exfoliating body serum. This is from Slather. Exfoliate dead skin and clogged pores with this moisturizing body serum packed with retinol and a blend of AHAs for soft skin touch. All right, I'm excited to give this a try. I really love body care, so a nice body serum is gonna be really nice for my skin. It's a pretty decent size too. Next we have this, ooh, what do we have here? This is a vitamin C and collagen cream. This is from Volition. They are a clean beauty brand. I'm excited to give this a try. I really need some more vitamin C products because I've been using them like crazy. We also have in here from Clark's Botanicals a 7-acid daily glow peel with AHAs, BHAs, and PHAs. So this is going to be an exfoliating product. This kind of reminds me of the Dr. Dennis Gross peel pads, but I'm not sure if these are actually pads. I think this is like a, yep, this is actually just like some sort of blend that you put on cotton and then rub it on. Next we have this Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. I have not yet tried this mascara, but I'm really, really excited because everything of Huda Beauty I fall in love with. I love this packaging too. Like, this is really cute. At one end it says volume. It has like a really thick brush. And then at the other end it says curl and length, which has kind of more of a thinner brush. So I'm excited to give this one a try. I use mascara every single day. We also have this NARS Air Matte Lip Color. Lose Control is the shade. And it's definitely not my kind of shade. So I'll probably be giving this to a friend or a family member. And then we also have a MAC lip pencil. This is in the shade Spice. And we have this Amika The Cure Multi-Task Repair Treatment. So yay, I get so excited every time we have a hair product because I just have a thing for hair products. And last but certainly not least, we have the, well, we'll see what this is. This is a Natasha Denona Cheek Duo. It's a blush and bronzer and a super glow highlighter. This is a really cute package. And the colors are stunning. I'm definitely gonna put this to good use. This is gonna be a really nice fall palette to use. Even like for my vacation, it's gonna be totally tropical and this is super fitting. Love it. Alright guys, that's it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I enjoyed making it. Let me know your comments below if you received your Ipsy box and what you loved most about this month's Ipsy product. If you're not yet following, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Thanks so much. Enjoy your day. Bye.